So we've been flying through these pretty quick. We've now figured out how to find a solution by graphing. Bring this back over here a bit. Found our solution by graphing. And we've been able to solve by substitution when you just have the equations. Well, of course, the next step is to write our equations. In this case, we're going to have the problem of we create a linear system to model this situation. So, the initial investment of $1,800, part at an annual interest rate of 3.5%, and the rest an annual interest rate of 4.5%. After 1 year, the total interest was $73. Whew. So, we know the investment was, we'll call it A and B. Investment A, investment at 3.5% interest. And then B is an investment at 4.5% interest. So the total dollar value, dollars invested, so they're both based on dollars. So the combination statement, we have A plus B is going to equal 1,800. Now that $1,800 invested earned $73. Okay, so that $73 is going to go down here. 3.5% of A, so I get 0.035 of A. So whatever amount I invested, I multiply it by 3.5%, and that'll tell me how much interest I earned on that investment. Plus 0.045, I'm going to get rid of that 73 just to move it over a bit. B equals 73. So there are my two statements. I've got a combination of investments. I invested in A and B, and I invested $1,800. My interest after 1 year for that $1,800 was 73. This part represents the interest in A. This part is the interest in B. Solve this problem. How much money did Alexia invest at each rate? Well, how can we do this nice and easy? This looks like it's easy to rearrange. I'm going to rearrange this so that A equals 1,800 minus B. Now that I know this, I'm going to sub this in for A, and I can solve for B. Slide this up a bit. Perfect. Calculator, gonna need it, because what I have now is 0.035 times 1,800 minus B plus 0.045 B equals 73. Multiply this out, 1,800 times 0.035, 63 minus 0.035 B plus 0.045 B equals 73. That means 63 plus 0.01 B equals 73. Subtract 63 from both sides, 0.01 B equals 10. Divide both sides by 0.1. 10 divided by 0.01. B equals $1,000. So now that I know B equals 1,000, I can find out that A equals 1,800 minus 1,000. So A equals $800. So they invested $1,800. 800 was in A, and 1,000 was in B. And that's using substitution to solve after you have the equations.